Well, I was definitely more in favor, and I am in favor of bringing patients as quickly as possible to the facility where the skill and the equipment is ready to be used in a very short and swift way of use as quickly as possible to achieve best chances for survival, including cerebral survival. So my stance is a complex cardiac center in the middle of a large urban area in Europe with a perfectly performing retrieval service who is able to be there in 8-9 minutes and bring me the patient within another 20 minutes. And in the middle of this period, I get a call and we get a message, so we are ready to cannulate. And therefore, the whole system performs like a chain of survival with results which surprisingly are very similar or just slightly better than the control group with no ECMO application, which means that by a very expensive way of treatment, we improve the chain of survival for a cardiac arrest, out of hospital cardiac arrest.
My view is that to build a real service, you have to build it around the patients, not around the staff and not around the hospital. And that service has to be equitable to all patients, wherever they may be. So yeah, if you have a cardiac arrest in the middle of Prague, you're in a really good spot. But if you have a cardiac arrest somewhere rurally, you're not. And there might not be a complex cardiac hospital anywhere near you. Time is absolutely critical. And for a lot of patients all over Europe, the only real option to get access to ECPR is for ECPR to come to them. And for ECPR to be taken seriously and to move forward from where it is now, from the domain of the enthusiast, from metropolitan centres, to being something which benefits all of us throughout Europe. We have to make it equitable and we have to make it fair. And to do so, we have to base it around the individual patients, not around ourselves.